Okay, and we back. Okay, that is still loading. The real strat is to upload. Okay. Yo? Oh, it's done. It's just bugging out. Okay. That's the strat. Upload the video while recording the video. Alright, so in the anims, we've got these states. We've got sit down. Alright, first we'll import these. It's got animations, actions. I think sitting, that's an animation. Excuse me, sorry. Main character, don't need the mesh. We want the animations. Cool. Looks good. Wait, why was I? Okay. Yeah, so these are all states. I do need to do one thing that I always forget, which is the idle needs to be looping. Actually, I do that in the animation, so that's fine. So sitting down, the animation is this, sit rest. And then just get in the habit of compiling just like I do C++ now. We'll do rest idle. This needs to be looping because it is an idle animation that is going to be triggering over and over again until I decide to get up. Unsit rest is getting up. The event graph I'm saving is resting, and the get up states are determined by that variable. So start once we're resting, sitting down. Once we have sat down all the way, then we idle. Then we stop the idle once we're no longer resting. And it means that we're getting up. And once getting up is done, then we do this. Go back to regular. Cool. Sounds good to me. Don't need dagger anymore. Don't need dagger or inventory or bandage or the item slot. Cool. Get some GitHub action going. Added sit anims. Okay. No, don't need AI right now. Don't need more AI. Okay, so sitting and resting. So we start is resting, and that is sit rest, and that's H or some shit. Let's see if it works off the bat. Check that. Check that shit out, yo. Look at that. Oh, we don't want to be doing that. I'm gonna need to lock. And while sitting, so we've got sitting and then resting. Do I have a second variable? There's is resting. Because I need two things. I need the heal to start, and the heal starts upon completion of the things. So I need two anim notifies. We need, or just one. So notify. We need a notify in order to start and stop the healing. I don't want the healing to start and stop the second I start laying down or start getting up. I want it to be actually the start getting up. Makes sense. So I guess just one. Yeah, we need one to start the healing, but the second I start getting up, we start getting up and stop the healing. So I think it's one anim notify. I think I understand. Okay. So we'll do sit rest heal notify. Okay. All right, receive it. Receive notify. need to get the owner of the mesh. That is the character. Cast to BP character. It's only one time. It's one cast in 1 second. It doesn't matter. Earn 1 tick. That doesn't repeat as BP character. What do we want to do? We want to set his healing or start the timer, or let's see. So yeah, so we want a custom event. So in the character, we're just going to do custom event. It's going to be called start rest healing. Please. And it went 1,000,000 miles away, please. Okay. Start rest healing. And then we'll do that. Cool. Where is that going to be triggered? It's in the action. It's in the sit rest anim. I haven't saved everything. There we go. Added sit anims. Added anims and created notify to start healing. Cool. That I was wondering why only one file was changed. Thread's fucked up. Oh, good. Getting sick. Fun. Okay. In sit rest. Right there. So we'll start it here. Rest heal. Boom. That's when it starts. It doesn't loop. Cool. And this will be called 2 things. So custom event. It'll be rest heal player. Set event by timer. Set timer by event rather. It's going to be triggering this guy. This guy is going to be triggering the health. So it's going to be we'll just say get current health. Set current health. Get max health. Get max. What? Get health? What? Oh, oops. Get health. Max health. Clamp float. Couple things. Excuse me. Sorry. We'll do every 2 seconds. God, I love this feeling, dude. I love resting to heal. I don't know why, but it just makes me happy. I love healing and the ability to, like, your body automatically healing itself. Like right now, I guess when I was eating pizza the other day, I accidentally cut the inside of my mouth. And I couldn't remember which side it was on. It feels like there's something stuck to my tooth, but in reality, it's just a little bit of my skin right next to my tooth, and it's just a little red because it got cut up a bit, and it's starting to like bubble up a little bit. Not bubble up, but like the skin is getting a little bit larger, and it's filling with blood so that it can heal and get all the red blood cells and white blood cells and shit in their healing things. But like in Dark and Darker, where you can just press G and sit down and just see your guy's health tick. I just like resting here and just chilling. Like animations, you're sitting there drinking or something at a campfire. That's a nice feeling. I like that a lot. It's just fun to me. I don't know why. So basically, we have an animation notified that's going to trigger this event, and this is going to start a timer. It's going to trigger every 2 seconds. And it's going to heal the player by a little bit. So we'll just... yeah, so we're going to clamp it to the max health. Okay, well, let's figure this out first. So we start resting, we stop resting. When we start resting, he's going to start sitting down. Once he's fully sitting, he's going to start this. I am also going to need to do this. We're going to need to get the mesh. Use control rotation. Use control rotation. It's, I think it's this. So can't get that. We have to get the pawn, which is, let's just use control rotation. And it's the pawn. Where is this from? I don't know. I guess it's just in the character. We want to stop doing this. And if we are resting, we want to stop doing that. Set, use, control rotation, yaw. Okay. Basically, once we're laying down and I look, I don't want my entire character's body, his legs and feet and stuff to move around. I'm going to need to make some custom stuff so that his head looks around, just like free looking over here. So I'll probably be able to just copy and paste that logic over here, honestly. We can just set it to is free looking. Wait, I can actually probably do that. It'll be really similar. I'll figure out. There's probably a better way of doing it. Each time I don't want to just copy and paste stuff. I want to see if there's a better way of doing it so I can improve as a programmer. Or a game developer rather. I don't really give a shit about programming. I just want to get good at what I'm trying to become really, really good at. So once we get up, we want to enable the body to follow the camera. Once we have fully laid down, or rather, actually, we don't want to do that once we're laying down. We want to do that from the get-go so that once we're sitting down, we can look around, but the body is doing its thing and we can't move. So that's what'll happen. And I think technically if I start that right now, the body can move. Yeah, the body can totally move. That's not what we want, so. Okay, so we'll do is resting, and I'll do another check. I don't know what the best way of doing this is, but in movement, oh God, good God. I want to not be able to move when I'm resting. Do I have anything like that in the game right now? No. I really don't want to add a check to every one of these. Oh, that's what we do. We just set movement speed to 0. That's fine. That is fine. Whew, thank God. All right. Oh, that works. That was kind of scary. All right. Movement speed. Isn't there a default movement speed? Or is that the other game? Move speed. We'll just search speed. Current move speed. Walk speed. Ah, okay. So set current move speed. Set current. Oh, well, I can just copy this. And then walk speed. Okay. So, and the point is that the default walk speed is 0.7. The current move speed is 0.7, but the sprint is 1. The free look is 0.85. This should actually be free look speed modifier. Backward speed penalties, 0.9. Okay. Alright, I think that works, because it's multiplied by current move speed, and that is what gets updated depending on if I'm sprinting or not. Cool. Okay, so when we are not yet resting, and we now are resting, so when we're resting, when we're getting up, we want to set the current move speed back to walk speed. When we're laying down, we want to set the current move speed to... Oh, I do actually do that here. We update the max walk speed. Oh, so maybe that's actually what I do. We don't do current. That makes much more sense. Excuse me. Oof, shit. set max walk speed. Yeah, because if I set the current, moving forward, we'll just update that. So we update the max walk speed. That makes much more sense. Set max walk speed. We still need the current though. And then oh, wait. Reset walk speed. The default max walk speed is 600. Okay, I'm gonna set something called default max walk speed. That way I can get rid of that shitty value, 600. Get rid of a literal and replace it with a variable. Cool. Cool. Okay. Well, yeah, that's fine. So once we have sat down, we want to zero out the max walk speed. We can't move. And just grab this guy. It's fine. And bring it back to the default. So. Oh, wait. I might need a custom event for this. So once we're starting to go down, we can't move anymore. But this is saying the second we start getting up, I can start looking around. This needs to be a custom event. Yes, it does. Okay, unfortunate. Or we'll just copy this guy over here. Okay. Yeah, this is because the second I start getting up, my guy's gonna be getting up, but also able to look around. That shouldn't be the case. That should only happen once we have fully gotten up. Then we uncap the walk speed, and then we go back to default. So, okay, on to another fucking custom event. Excuse me. Get up, reset, movement. No. Is this start, rest, heal? Start, rest, healing, and then the actual healing, and this will be called after get up. Or we'll just call this reset, rest, reset. That's too long. Reset player movement after rest. I mean, it's not that bad. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom soon. Oh shit, soon. All right, another one. Notify. Reset player movement after rest. That is too fucking long, but it's okay. Maybe. We'll see. Okay. Get owner, that's the character. Cast TPP character. Reset movement after rest. Cool. Sure, compiles. Cool. Okay. Adding rest logic. Okay. And that activates when? After unsitting. Cool. Right there. Okay. So this will trigger once we've gotten up. I mean, we can actually test this now. So, sitting down, can't move. I can look around, the character body doesn't move around. Still can't. Oh. Why is it undoing it? What happened? Oh. Wait. I don't think I pressed it again. Let's just see what happens. So we press H. Maybe I fat fingered it. Okay, shouldn't be able to jump. I press it again. I can look around. Now I can move. Okay, so we need to make a check. Can't jump. So if we're resting, we can't jump. Let's do jumpy jump. Don't think we need to worry about being dead because it's already controlled for, I think. We'll say we need to make sure we are not resting in order to be able to jump. In order to jump. Okay. Added jump. Check. Can't jump while resting. Cool. Okay. And then the healing. So it'll start this guy. And this will do what? This will set the current health to be the current health plus, call it rest heal value. For now, it will be what? Where did it go? What? Didn't I just create it? What? I just created a variable. Where did it go? Okay. Okay, I don't know where the hell it went, but it's okay. Wait. Oh. Pressing backspace on a thing deletes it. I had no clue. I accidentally pressed that. Okay. I didn't know I've always been using, wait. That is so much more convenient. I had no clue you could press backspace. I've been doing my freaking hotkeys this entire time. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wait, shit. Let me make sure it didn't bust it. Okay, we're back to default walk speed. Cool. Okay. Rest heal value is 2. We will add the rest heal value every time this ticks. And we will clamp that maximum health to be the max that the player's health can be, which is 100. So we can't heal anymore. Okay. Do that, and then we will update health vignette by passing it the current health. Let's find this guy. Yep, it'll update it and pass it the current health. Cool. Okay, that seems like it might work. I have to go to the bathroom really bad, but it seems like this might work. Well, let's test it first, maybe? Let's see if I can do a little test. I don't know what I'm missing. Oh, that's not looping. And once we get up, this needs to invalidate the timer the second it stops. Can't move yet, but we need to stop healing. So Invalidate timer by handle. The handle is promote to variable. Rest heal timer. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom so bad. Oh, so bad. Okay. We're gonna check is valid because maybe it's not. I don't know if that's actually the case, but please hurry up. I gotta go. Oh, I gotta go. Oh, wait. How about this? Is valid timer. Is valid timer handle. If it's valid, then we clear it. What do we clear? The timer handle. Oof. Right? Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom so bad. Okay, we sit down. We start resting. We are unable to control the character while we're resting because we're fucking resting. And we can't move. Cool. After we fully lay down, start the resting timer, the healing timer. Cool. Save it so we can reference it and clear it later. Start every 2 seconds, heal the player a little bit. Cool. Once we start getting up, and stop the healing. Check to make sure the timer is valid that we were healing so that we can stop the healing. Cool. And then once we have fully gotten up, doesn't involve this. Once we have fully gotten up, then the character can be fully controlled again. I'm gonna need to add some looking around behavior too, so because right now the face doesn't move. Okay. All right. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom so bad. All right, I'm moving this because this is annoying. Better. Okay. Dagger. No. Fuck. Why did it? Oh, when it's being dropped too small. That is too small. He's gonna kill me. Okay, there's a bug there. Oh, got it. Found it. Oh, wait. He needs to hit me, not me, him. Oh, hit me again. Okay, kill him. All right, cool. Now we're gonna sit down and heal. Oh, I go to the bathroom so bad. Oof. Oh. Look. We're healing. Okay, it works. Save. Healing, heal rest works. Works. But needs free look fix. Okay, gotta go to the bathroom.